Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add editors and managers to your YouTube channel. So basically, there are different levels of permission. Basically, editors can do everything except add permissions and I believe delete other individuals on your account, where managers have, I believe, the highest level of permission access. So if you want to go about adding these individuals or removing them too, it's a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio and select the setting gear button on the left side. Select permissions on the left panel here, and then select the invite button up here at the top. You can go ahead and insert their email address as well as the access type you want to give them by clicking inside the drop-down. And then please note they have 30 days to respond to the invitation. You would select done, and then they would send them the notification. If you wanted to remove an existing manager, editor, viewer, doesn't really matter, you click inside the drop-down next to their role, and you would select where it says remove access, and then you would save that, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.